If you're looking for window and door remodeling or home weatherization in Tigard, Oregon, then you need Goose Hollow Window Company. Whether you're looking for brand name patio, French, or entry doors, bay or garden windows, or the latest cutting-edge energy-efficient glass and frame technology, we've got it all in a variety of local and national products, and at competitive prices. With our skilled installers' excellent customer service, you can be sure that the job is done right. Give your home a beautiful new look, add curb appeal, remodel windows and doors, optimize views, and reduce energy costs. As an Energy Trust trade ally, we're experts at helping property owners qualify for Energy Trust of Oregon cash incentives, as well as federal and Oregon tax credits. Call Goose Hollow Window Company today at 503-620-0898 or visit us online at www.goosehwc.com. Goose Hollow Window Company, your reliable solution for replacing windows and doors and insulating your home.